Should I just do like this or is that too much? I have to make some focaccia. Yeast, flour, salt, EVO, oil, water. Oh my god, I'm going to the Taylor Swift party. You know what? Yeah, I'll try to make focaccia. I'm not going to the Taylor Swift party. It's not until, well, me and my friends are planning on leaving to go to Toronto at 5. So we can like hang out, grab dinner, shenanigans. Oh, because yesterday, right when wait, let me pause. Well, after I got snowplowed. In the previous vlog, I got from work a rosemary plant. Make some focaccia because I love bread. I just have to knead this focaccia dough for 15 minutes. I don't think I recorded anything prior to this, so it'll be on TikTok. Hey Google, play Champagne Problems.
Champagne Problems by Taylor Swift.
See you after you've risen, like Jesus. Bye bye. See how she proved. Oh wow, she really proved. Ooh. This is olive oil that I choose to use. You just need good olive oil. It has to be extra virgin, cold press, I don't know, natural, dark colored bottle, something like that. It just needs to be like the one that likes the most bougie, try to use that. Putting about a quarter cup. It just says like Gotham. Wow, that's so funny. So just putting around a quarter cup. You just want to cover the whole thing in olive oil. Okay, so now I'm trying to spread out as much as possible up until I get resistance, because the dough will resist a bit, which, oh. Now it just looks like slipping and sliding. Slipping and sliding. I can lick it, I can ride it, I slip it and slide it. Oh, because I have to go soon to the concert. I'm just gonna let this in the fridge, which is actually better for it to be in the fridge overnight or later tonight, depending how tired I am. Can do it overnight or up to 24 hours to develop more flavor. Bye bye. After getting out on the station, Kiana was like, can you buy me a charger from the station? Because they're arriving from the Whitby station, I'm at the Pickering station, and the thing was open, so I was like, I'll buy it for you. Hopefully this charger works. It was like the regular iPhone charger, so I was so loud in here. I'm trying to be louder. So now we don't know if it works. No. But we'll soon find out if it works.
What, this?
Yeah.
I'm sure it works.
That's the one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Brakes. I just needed a brake. That plugged into the wall.
And it's a fast charger, allegedly.
Oof, there you go. That's even better. Especially
Okay.
if we're going to a restaurant, then it'll charge while we're eating.
Did someone say hi after all that? Oh.
She said
What shit?
it was a combination of things, okay? Like, first of all, she stopped to get gas and Wendy's before she came to get me.
Wait, and you didn't make fries?
That's the first thing. Secondly, she missed my street how many times? She was standing in front of in front of a stranger's house.
Not like her used to live on that area.
Yeah, so like, yes, I was maybe like.
But we love your top.
Oh, thanks. I was like.
To the restaurant. Hopefully the food is good. Me, Ken, and Wayne are gonna have a fun time. Okay, bye. Ken, I'm coming from the darkness.
As I'm alive.
Woo! This is Kiana before her shot.
I know you can't see me. Sorry.
No, that's after.
And I thought this pink lemonade would help. Do I do that on purpose, or do you feel all the time? Feel what? All I feel is the nastiness in my mouth.
Oh shit! Wait.
I needed that shot.
This is
focaccia is proof, and now we have to add the holes. So sorry if any of you have tryptophobic, but like, I have to do these. Mom's silent, she's like, I don't know what to do now. So here's the finished focaccia, and we're gonna eat it now. Okay, what kind of angle is this? Okay, sure. Bread. Is this a carb?
I'm on an all carb diet.
Is butter a carb? Ooh. Oh.
The hand behind.
So good. I'll eat it later. You can cut. I think you can cut now. Update, that focaccia was so good. Oh, wait, my least favorite chore to do ever is laundry. It's literally, well, I'm just folding the clothes now. Those are some of the clothes I still have to fold. I hate it! Oh, hey Google, stop. Oh wait, this is my iPad. Wait, okay. Oh, I think I poorly documented my day, but basically, so yeah, I think I said it before. So, well, in previous, oh my god, why does this thing keep going down? So I'm currently going, or about to go. I have to leave in half an hour, so hopefully this fucking dries. I'm gonna use this color that I got from, I don't know, Shoppers Drug Mart. Hey Google, how long does nail polish take to dry?
Here's what I understood from the website Healthline.com. It can take 10 to 12 minutes for polish to fully set. Do you want a little more context?
No, it's okay. Okay, so this is how they look. I think I did a good job for my second time. Oh shit, maybe I did not. Second time ever. I'm gonna have to use nail polish just to remove that. I don't know if I can just use soap afterwards, but maybe. Like, we'll check back after.
I was hopping on a shower, Garcia.
Photo. Now today after the party, I'll end the vlog here because I didn't last night. Oh my god, the mall is so full. The mall is full.
Can you buy me this?
40?
Oh,
Do you like it? Because we went to London.
yeah.
England.
Can I see?
We just talked to someone who works it that we may get this bed.
Yeah.
Canadian made, no nails and screws, just. Oh my god, so we went to the mall and got pretzels, or like I was like, maybe they can get, sometimes they give it for free. And we got 3 containers for free!
Benji.
And dip! What the hell? Wait. Not only did we get 1 of these, we got 2, we got 3! Wow. Go Benji, go us.
Thank you.
It's
God bless
snowing.
him.
Jollibee!